Okay, we have this antique Corvette here. This thing is a beauty. What a beauty. Basically, this is a car dealership that sells antiques. They went ahead and gave us a call because this car had keyless entry aftermarket with this remote control, which is a brand that I really care for. But anyway, what happened was they went to a body shop to get their door repair, and these people at the body shop disconnected every wire you can imagine as far as the keyless entry goes inside the door. So we had to take off this door panel here and figure out, you know, I didn't install it, so all the wiring, they use like this cable that is for phone system. They didn't even use 12 volt, you know, as far as electrical wires for vehicles. It was a real butcher job, even though it looks great with these metal buttons there that you press and it locks the door. From the outside it looks fantastic, but if you start looking into the work, the electrical is very cheesy. Like mostly all these collectible vehicles that they go through different shops, some of them just go ahead and they don't use the right proper connectors and wires and whatnot. They don't even bother soldering anything. But anyway, it was a nightmare to take off this panel and put it back. And we figured out the wire was cut from inside the door. The body shop took it out of the motor and they put it all backwards. They just plugged in whatever. And that was it. Now we got it working again after 2.5 hours. Locks your doors, unlocks your doors. That's basically it. This is in this Corvette.